Hello guys, welcome here in my channel. Uh, Today's topic is about some if function. As in a previous video, I explained some if function, but now in this video, I will explain some if function how we can use that formula in some data. I have some data here in this sheet. It's about product and their category and their type and then their cost. So I will use the category, type, and the cost. These three column for the SUMIF function. So for to start a formula, we have to type equal to sum if s in the end because it's a sum if function. Tab to bracket open. Then we have to sum range. What what do you want to sum? We have the cost per box. We want to sum up the value. We will select this range. Tap F4 to log the columns and comma. Then we have a criteria range 1. What criteria? In the sum if function, the first range we choose is about the sum range. What you means the range that you want to sum up. So we have the cost per box, the range that we want to sum up. After that, you have to choose multiple criteria that according to your need. So now we have a criteria range 1. You can I can choose. I'm choosing the categories. Select that range F4 to log that range and comma, then our bars, in criteria 1 the bars. This is enough for to execute the formula. 70.24 bars is 70.24. If I filter the bars here and the sum up value, it will be, I think, 70.24. 70.24. Okay, but the SUMIF function is not end here. You can, as I said, you can add multiple criteria. So for using multiple criteria, that's why we are using the sum if function. Otherwise we can use the SUMIF function. So control I did the formula in the end. After F6 type comma, then criteria range 2. Select the criteria range 2. We will select this type range, log that range by F4, then comma, then this cell where we mentioned the type A, uh, select it on the G6, then enter. Then it is 8.94. To check this value, just filter bars first, then A on type, filter A. Here's our total 8.94. If we match with the formula 8.94. So hope you like this video and the information will be beneficial for you. For more video you have to subscribe or support my channel. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.